How to transfer money from Paysafecard to bank account. So if you want to transfer funds from the Paysafecard to bank account, then there is no any direct way where you can straight away send or transfer the money. But you can achieve it through using the PayPal. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So firstly, what you're going to do is transfer your fund from your Paysafecard to your PayPal account. In order to do that, in the search bar, search for transfer B and then head over to this site. It will land you on this page. In this page, all you want to do is click on Get Started. It will open up this page. In here, you simply need to type in your card code, email address, the currency, and also the value of the code. After that, if you click on Exchange, the money will be successfully transferred to PayPal. Now, once you are logged into your PayPal account, you must now have the balance on your PayPal account. Now, from the PayPal account, we're going to send the money to any of the bank account that you want to. Simply head over to Wallet and click on Withdraw. After that, you will be able to withdraw to your linked bank account and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can transfer from Paysafecard to bank account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.